Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add calendar in Gmail. So let's started. At first open your Chrome browser. Now you can see open the Gmail. Now click from Gmail. Now you can see now open the Gmail. Now we can see the show the new interface. Then Gmail, add a calendar. Now you can see then I select from a calendar. Now click. Now wait for end. That is. Now you can see then add calendar in Gmail. That it's. Now you can see today. All calendar in Gmail. Now choose from date. That is. Now you can see add Gmail. Add calendar in Gmail is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like.